Hi, I'm Faster EFT practitioner Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. Have you ever had the TV or the music or some other incessant noise that was so loud you couldn't hear yourself think clearly? That can produce confusion, anxiety, anger, and any other form of stress. And it can even occur when that noise is all in your head. The accusations, the doubt, the fear can be so loud you can't hear anything else. What do you do when you don't know what to do because you can't think clearly? I turn down the volume, and the volume control is at my fingertips. I tap. When my husband died, I had people offer advice, give me loads of verbal information. And even though I knew they all meant well, for me it was just like listening to the adults in a Charlie Brown cartoon. Wah, 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 wah. Too much, too soon. So I mentally tapped. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I've had many decisions to make over the past 8 months, but one in particular has been very troublesome. I couldn't think clearly. I didn't know what to do. When I asked for information, I did not understand what was being told to me. And this particular decision had some very powerful negative programs attached to it. And they were loud. They were relentless. They were vicious. So I tapped, but I did not receive my answer instantly. What I did experience instantly was peace. The peace that I have become so familiar with these past 6 years of tapping. And that peace gave me the confident assurance that I would receive the answer. And it helped me to remember that though I wasn't sure what it was yet, changes were occurring. And 4 weeks ago, I woke up one morning clearly hearing the first part of the answer to my decision. And as I experienced the peace and the joy that that gave me, the second part of that answer came to me. As I used tapping to quiet and calm the noise, I could hear that still small voice speaking wisdom and love to me, and giving me the strength to now confidently carry out that decision. So I encourage you, when the noise in your head gets so deafening you don't know what to do because you can't think clearly, tap. And you can do as I did in the beginning. Simply tap, I am safe, I am safe, I am safe, I am safe. Or you can say that noise and all the memories, beliefs, and emotions it triggers, I let it go. I let it all go. It's safe to let it go. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. And go to your happy place. Be in it and experience it. Notice how it feels. And remember from our last video, here you can tap as if you already have it. So again, you can tap, I am safe, I am safe, I am safe, I am safe. Or you can say, the answers always come to me easily and effortlessly. I always choose what's best for me, and it's safe for me to do so. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. The most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.